So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to know if someone restricted you on Instagram. So if you want to know who restricted you on Instagram, this video is for you. After you open up your Instagram app like this now, so for the purpose of this video, I'll use two Instagram accounts to show you the flop, how it will look if someone restricted you. So for this now I'll switch up to the first account. So as you can see now I'm this account Aryan Aliu. So I'll just go ahead now and search for someone account and restricted him. So I'll just tap on the search button. So I'll just go ahead and search for the account, like this account. As you can see now, this account. So now I'll restrict the account. After you open the profile, now tap on this three dot and tap on this restrict. So as you can see now I restricted this user. So tap on this dismiss. So now I will switch to this account and show you how it looks if someone restricted you. So now I'll just go ahead and tap on this switch. So now I'll go ahead and open the restricted account. Now I restrict this account from this account. So now I'll open this account and see if I can be able to see this account that restricted this one. So now I'm switching to the account. So now as you can see now I'm in this profile. So as you can see now I'll go ahead and search for the person that restricted me. So tap on this search. So if you tap on this search now, I'll tap on this search again. I'll search for his name, Aryan. Here is his username. As you can see now, Aryan space Aliu. So as you can see now, here is now the person that restricted me. So I would open his account. As you can see now, after I open his account now, let's say now I want to message him. Tap on this message. So now let's say I'll send him some messages. Sent. Now I send some messages to this person now, as you can see now. But now if I now go back to the account again and open this section again and open here, I'll switch the account. Here is the account now. I'll open the account again. So I'll now search for the account again and see if the message that I sent has like the person, if someone restricted you, is it possible to send him a message or not? So now I'll open the account again. So as you can see now, I open the account. Now if I go to this messages section, or I'll tap on this profile section. I'm on the profile section now. Just tap on this home and tap on this message. So in the messages section, as you can see now as you can see now if someone restricted you, if the person send you a message, the message will not, like, you can't receive the message. And if someone restricted you, if you send him a message, you can, as you can see now, your message will not reach him. As you can see now, I send the message from this account, from the account that restricted me, but now I can't be able to see the message, as you can see now, because I restricted the person. So now if someone restricted you, if you send him a message, the person will not receive your message because the person has restricted you. That's it, guys, on how to know if someone restricted you. If you send me a message, the message will not, the person will not receive your message because the person has restricted you. So if you like send a message to someone and you found that he did not respond for you, like it delay before he respond to you, means that that person, maybe he restricted you. That's it, guys, on how to know if someone restricted you on Instagram. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.